All right, I'm on the other end. This was left open. Need to push this up. You notice there's moisture everywhere. Difference in temperature, and that's, I don't see any wind blowing on the, see that loose insulation? That would normally show. But I am feeling radiated cold air, not blowing air. So I'm going to tape all this up, make it look better. And keep the hotter air from going up there to the cold air, causing condensation. Yeah, not pretty, but everything's wet, so I don't want to stick. But don't feel any cold air anymore. That's the key. I think it will stop all this sweating that's going on. Ugly, but a lot of tape too. Trying to block all this. I mean, I could buy a piece of metal and put it up here, but I would have to put up inside the fastening too, and I just don't think it's going to make any difference. No wind blowing. You'll see the cobwebs. There's no wind blowing, and we're better. That's what I want. There you go, guys. It's an ugly job. I got to crawl back through this hole. Really tight. We probably got 15, 16 inches to crawl through, or smaller right here, probably 10, 12. Good thing I lost a little weight. Anyway, see you guys.